tell us about how you design a new store. Is there any learning from the previous stores, or is there anything new in thought we should do something like this for the better customer experience?
So like when we were designing the store, like we had an option from there are so many brands that you can take our furniture, you're already taking the stock. So we had something in mind that we want to give a good experience to our customers, and we want a boutique store. Like if you've seen the pictures and also it'll give you an aesthetic feeling. And when we were designing the store, like the clear instruction given by me to the architect was that the focus, whenever someone is coming, the focus should be on the product, because ultimately we're selling it. And if we do something which takes away the focus from the product, then there's no point of it. So that is what we kept in mind, and the small challenge like storage and all that were taken care of because we were involved in designing the process completely.
The ZEISS You&EYE Awards 2025, inspiring excellence in eyewear retail.